Hello Amy, did you ever call All Solutions about repairing the flooring in the break room?
No, John, I am sorry.
Why not, Amy? I asked you to do that the other day. The floor is only getting worse.
I'm sorry, John. I'll call right now.
Okay, thanks. Do you have the number?
Oh no, I'm sorry, I misplaced it.
It's 33699222128, or you can fax a service request to 8887270221.
Oh okay, I'll give All Solutions a call right now.
Thanks again, Amy. Oh, by the way, you can request service from the All Solutions website at www.triedcontractor.com and then go to the contact page.